This is the first page of the direct and inverse proportion homework. First of all, we are told that y is proportional to x. So we can write that using the symbol. Y is proportional to x. If y is proportional to x, that means that y equals kx, where k is a constant. Now, we're told that when y is 42, running out of room, x is 6. So 42 equals k times 6. We can tell that k is 7. That means that y equals 7 lots of x, whatever x is. So when x is 8, y is 7 times 8, which is 56. When y is 77, to get back to x we need to divide by 7, which gives us 11. Next question, q is proportional to p cubed. Okay, which means that q equals something times p cubed. When p is 5, q is 500. So 500 equals something times 125, because that's 5 cubed. Oops, sorry, I just realised you can't see that on the screen. What do I have to times 125 by to get 500? I have to times it by 4, so k must be 4. So to get q, I cube p, so we cube 8, gives us 256, and then we do 256 times 4, and it gives us 1024. To go the other way, first of all, we need to divide by 4, so we do 2,916 divided by 4, which gives me 729, and I know that the cube root of 729 is 9, so I know that my answer there is 9. Similarly, when we look at this one, which is a squared, we know that b is proportional to a squared, which means that b, that's a scribble now, b equals k times a squared. When b is 486, that's going to be something times 81. So what do I have to times 81 by to get 486? I times it by 6. K is 6, which means that b equals 6a squared. When a is 17, 17 squared is 289, times that by 6. I'm doing that on a calculator, by the way, no way in my head. And that gives us 1,734. And then to go back the other way, first of all we divide by 6. 726 divided by 6 gives us 121, and then I know that 121 square rooted is 11. Final question on this page is talking about root m. So again, we've got n proportional to the root of m, which means that n equals k times the square root of m. 80 equals something times the square root of 64. Square root of 64 is 8, therefore k is 10. So what do I have to do? I have to find the square root of 196. I know that is 14. And then I need to times it by 10. 140. Other way around here, what do I need to do? Rather than timesing by 10, I'm going to divide by 10. So I know that sorry, I'm not focusing at all. Let's try that again. So I know that m is 600, so I know 600 equals 10 times the square root of something. So first of all I times by 10, which gives me, divide by 10, which gives me 60. So 60 is the square root of m, which means that m must be 60 squared, which is 3,600. Sorry for the mental block there.